How to fix safe_OS phase during with an error during replicate_OC operation when updating Windows 10. Below are some useful tips you can use to fix safe_OS phase during with an error during replicate_OC operation. If you can't update Windows 10, error 0x80070001F, 0x20006, the installation failed in the safe_OS phase with an error during replicate_OC operation. Try upgrading your system to 1803 manually by following below steps. 1. 1.1. Right-click on Windows, start Windows PowerShell, admin. Type following, or copy and paste following, one by one and enter: netstop wowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop misa server ren/c:\windows/soft twa redistribution software distribution.old ren/c:\system32/catru2 netstart wowserv netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart misa server 1.2. Type following in Windows start search box and hit enter. %system root %logs/cbs rename cbs.log to something else. If it doesn't allow you to rename, type services in Windows start search box, click services, scroll down to find the Windows Modules Installer service and double click on it. Set its startup type to manual. Reboot your computer. Note, we recommend you check the Windows Modules Installer service and trusted installer is started on your system and set to automatic start. Reboot and try the update again. Optionally, check the status of optional components on the system, search for Windows features, uninstall any unneeded optional components, reboot your PC and try the update again. Uncheck any unnecessary optional components in control panel. Programs and features, turn Windows features on/off and then attempt the upgrade later. If the Windows features on or off is blank or empty, 1.2.1 do a system restore helps you. Else run sfc/scanno. 1.2.2 create a new administrator account. 1.2.3 Make sure the Windows Modules Installer Service Startup status is set to automatic and it is currently running. 1.2.4 Run the following command as admin, reg delete hklm /components /v store dirty. 1.2.5 Run dism command to repair Windows System Image and Windows Component Store in Windows 10, dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. If nothing helps, repair install Windows, see how to at https://goo.gl/mhqgvd. Or refresh your system, see detailed guide at https://goo.gl/agbkp. Go to c:/windows/logs/cbs rename cbs.log reboot your computer then go back into the Services app and set Windows Modules Installer Service back to automatic startup. 1.3. Go to https://goo.gl/snhk8f. Click Update now to update to 1803 through Upgrade Assistant. Or download the latest Windows 10 package with Media Creation Tool. 1.4. Contact the PC manufacturer or reseller. 1.5 Do a clean install Windows 10, https://goo.gl/rrf8b7. 2. Make sure that your device has enough space. Note, your device requires at least 16 GB of free space to upgrade a 32-bit OS, or 20 GB for a 64-bit OS. For more info, see free up drive space in Windows 10 at https://udo.be/g6na8kqsrq. More, you may perform a disk cleanup. Unplug extra hardware. Hint, remove all extra storage devices and drives, docks, and other hardware you might have plugged into your device that isn't needed for basic functionality. Temporarily remove third-party security software with the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Try upgrading via the Windows 10 Update Assistant tool at https://goo.gl/snhk8f. Perform a clean installation of Windows 10 using a bootable USB flash drive and /or media creation tool, https://goo.gl/1lgh New Jersey. And http://windowsiso.net. Or, perform an in-place upgrade, https://goo.gl/kg1uwq. 3. 3.1 Try upgrading your computer via Windows Update. 3.2 Try updating Windows Defender, antivirus https://geometers/2yk. 3.3 Check if Adobe Flash Player version 2.3.0.205, or higher, and Firefox version 4.9.0.2, or higher, and / or Google Chrome version 5.4.0.2840.71, or higher, or any other alternate browser are installed. 3.4 Check if you're using some registry cleaners, example CCleaner, Registry Mechanic, etc. If yes, remove such an application with the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 4. Try changing the Windows 10 installation, 4.1 Download or make a Windows 10 ISO from Media Creation Tool, then copy all the contents to your pen drive, such as /. 4.2. Run the following command as admin, dism/mount image/image file h/sources/boot.wim/index1/mount dirc:\users/ your username here /desktop/mount. Hint, the c:\partition is typically referred to as the main OS partition, where you had Windows 10 installed. 4.3 Navigate c:\users/ your username here /desktop/mount /windows/system32/mc update_genuine intel.dll. 4.4 Modifying update_genuine intel.dll's security policy this way, right-click on that DLL file and select Properties. Select the Security tab then click the Advanced button. Click the Change tab. Look in the Security tab, Click on Edit button after selecting your own user account and check on Full Control. Note, if your account is not listed, type the name exactly then click Check Name. 4.5 Go back to the command prompt box and unmount the ISO file you mounted. 4.6 With the admin access, run the following command, dism/unmount-image/mount dirc:/user/user/desktop/mount/commit 4.7 Repeat the above steps. 4.1 4.6 To modify the following files, boot.wim /index2 install.wim /index1 install.wim /index2 4.8 Delete the mount folder. Your pen drive and boot your PC with the installer. 5. Keep your device driver up to date, https://goo.gl/dcjwem. 6. Update your PC BIOS, https://goo.gl/gb8ri8. 7. Make sure the following services startup status are set to automatic and they are currently running: BITS, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Windows Update Service, Cryptographic Service. 8. Clear RAM in your PC with an eraser. 9. Try disabling graphics card and network card by removing their drivers.